Have you and your parents had that difficult discussion about long-term care yet? By the end of this video, you will have the tools that you need to bring up this uncomfortable but oh so important discussion about future needs. By subscribing to my channel and hitting that little bell, you will be notified every Monday when I post a new video that helps you navigate this sometimes confusing healthcare system. I've been a pharmacist for over 30 years, but my knowledge in taking care of aging parents comes from my own experience taking care of my precious mother and father. My hope is through this video, you will come to fully understand how important it is to make decisions before they must be made. Long-term care plans are never an easy subject to discuss. No one likes to think that someday they might need to be taken care of. The fact is, we're living longer, and there may very well be a day when we can no longer take care of ourselves safely. In fact, over 50% of those over the age of 65 today will need some sort of assisted living in the future. Our health, our physical strength, and our mental abilities change as we get older. These changes may prevent us from taking care of ourselves in a safe manner, and we may need help with our daily activities. This help may come in many forms: in-home nursing care, moving in with a family member, moving into an assisted living home, or moving into a skilled nursing facility. While we hope that none of these scenarios arise, we need to be prepared ahead of time so that our family members don't feel guilt when they have to make difficult decisions. By discussing the possibility of long-term needs in the future, your parents can voice their opinions, and together you can decide what you need to do before you have to decide what needs to be done. If a parent gets to the point that they need help with daily activities such as cooking, bathing, and dressing, do they want to move into an assisted living facility, or do they want to look at in-home care? If they develop physical limitations or dementia, do they want to look at skilled nursing homes? Are you in a position that you can move them into your home and take care of them? This can get to be extensive care if they have physical limitations or dementia. Then there is the matter of how expensive long-term care can get. Long-term care insurance may be something worth looking into. Most long-term care insurance plans will pay for services both in the home and in a facility. Today, the average cost of a long-term care policy taken out at age 60 is about $2,800 per year. The average cost of skilled nursing is over $65,000 per year. And long-term care insurance usually pays about $165 per day. This equates to approximately $60,000 per year for a long-term care insurance payout, which makes it a pretty good investment. Questions you should ask before taking out a long-term care policy: how much coverage do I need? How long should I insure myself for? What are the qualifications for payment with this policy? Does the policy cover in-home care? Are there any exclusions? Long-term care isn't a pleasant subject, but it's an important one. By discussing your parents' wishes and your abilities, guilt and hard feelings can be avoided down the road. Begin by asking your parents if they have thought about what they might need down the road. Time moves quicker than we want it to, and by discussing these needs before they arise, you can ensure that you are taking care of your parents in the way that you have both decided on. Get the conversation started. Over time, you can iron out the details, but don't wait until the decisions need to be made right now. Are you planning to take care of this soon? If so, comment below, "We're ready." I have written an ebook that helps children and parents address subjects that may be difficult but are necessary to plan for the future. You will find the link to get this free resource in the description below. I am sure it will help start the conversation that is oh so important. If you think that this information has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do you have any questions about long-term care insurance or long-term care plans? If so, type them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I hope this video helps you bring up the difficult conversations that we need to have as parents and as children. Thank you for joining me today. Have a blessed week.